Hey everyone, as I mentioned on my previous solution on this exercise over here, exercise 3.26, I told you guys we can go about solving this, giving out a solution on this exercise without actually using if-else statements. And again, if you don't even know which textbook this is the textbook we're using. It's just that I've been saying it many times that you guys gotta make sure you get your own copy. And I know I might be annoying with that to some people who have been following me up to now, but there's literally nothing I can do. I really need people to have their own copy of this exercise here, this PDF we're using. Okay. So as I mentioned, I'll give another solution on this exercise, and let's simply name our class exercise 3_26 and then C. This is from students' perspective. We know he's the smartest among the three. Okay, simply call scanner. Input, or let's just go reader, go to new scanner, we go system.in, reader.close. You're gonna have to bear with me, folks. I'm used to making sure that my code is well commented, so we gotta go create a scanner, do read user input. What we then do, close our scanner. Okay, what else we then do? Okay, again, why are we having this solution? We wanna avoid using if-else statements and yet get a properly working solution. Okay, so what I'll then do, I'll simply go prompts the user to enter a number. That's not how you spell the word prompt. Of course, we need that over there. Okay, I'll simply go system.out.print. Okay, simply go enter, not enter. What the heck was that? Enter an integer. Enter an integer. I'll simply got to store that on my variable. What should I name it? You see, I can't think of anything. Okay, let me just use the word number and then say reader.next integer. Once I do that, I'll simply go. You see, check this out now, folks. Remember, I said that we might avoid use if-else statement if you don't want to. So that is exactly what we're going to do on this solution. We're not using if-else statements, so we'll simply go is number divisible by 5 or 6. Okay, what I'll then do is the following. I want to concatenate that with what I'm about to write here. You see, I'm putting it inside the brackets. Okay. what is it I'm going to say right now is simply number mode 5 and in fact I should start by end the same way they did. So it's number mode 5 equals 0 and number mode 6 equals 0. You see, this is the only thing we need. This will of course give out some this will give out something, either it will give out either true or false. Okay, let me just go. That's a mine whether a number is divisible by 5 and 6. Of course I need a D over there. Hope everyone can properly see, right? Likewise for the situation, that's a mine. It's a mine whether a number is divisible by 5 or 6. Okay, another thing that is better about this solution, if you take a look at it, is the fact that we no longer have multiple print statements printing one and the same thing, right? Number, is it divisible by 5 or 6? That's the question we're asking ourselves. Let's put a question mark and then go to the next line so that we can properly see what's going on. Okay, again I'll simply put this inside a bracket. What I'll simply do is to go 5 mode, is this equals to 0 or number mode 6 is it equals to 0. You can guess how we're gonna go about doing this for the last case. That's why I'm simply copying and pasting. I'm hoping everyone follows me here. Okay, determine whether a number is divisible by 5 or 6, but not both. We can simply put here, but not both. Perhaps we should cut this right over there. What I'll simply do now is to replace the OR operator with the exclusive OR operator. I mean, that should be it for this tutorial, folks. Let me just hit the run button. I hope everyone can see here. This is an effective and efficient solution compared to what we had. In fact, it's effective. It's not quite efficient compared to what we had. They are more or less the same in terms of efficiency, but it is effective if you ask me. Okay, let me just hit the run button and see what we get. Okay, let's punch it in. True. It's false. Is 10 divisible by 5 and 6? False. Is it divisible by 5 or 6? True. Is it divisible by 5 or 6 but not both? True. Okay, again let's try something like 60. Is it divisible by 5 and 6? The answer is true. Divisible by 5 or 6, true. Is it divisible by 5 or 6 but not both? False. Okay, as you guys know, as you guys can see, it seems like everything is properly working. My point of this tutorial was this over here. You see, we did not use any if-else statements. We used the fact that these computations, such as this one over here, they will aid the results in true or false. So we can simply use that fact to give out something as effective as this one over here. It seems like that should be it for this tutorial, guys. I'll see you when we actually do exercise 3.27. Cheers, you guys. I'm gone.